We live for the aha moments, the brainstorms, the breakthroughs, for finding our home away from home, a space to think, to breathe, to dream, a place for tinkerers, voyagers, and weekend warriors, where we can get lost in a brave new world or create one of our own, where the discoveries of the past inspire the experiments of the future, where treasures wait to be found if only we open our eyes, where our minds can run wild, where possibility isn't confined by our walls, but by the limits of our imagination, where we aren't measured by how much we know, but by what we can accomplish together.